I'm about to show you the #1 reason 9 out of 10 startups fail. And it has nothing to do with money, your competition, or even your idea. This is a crazy secret that literally nobody talks about. The startup graveyard is packed with amazing products that no one wanted. It's full of incredible designs and genius features that were perfected in a dark room. Why? Because while 90% of startups fail, a huge number of them fail for the exact same reason. The founders are just guessing. In this video, I'm giving you one simple rule that will change everything. This isn't just another tip. This is a massive shift that turns simple conversations into your single greatest, unbeatable advantage. Do not click away. Okay, imagine this. See if it sounds familiar. If you get a world-changing idea, it's perfect. You can see it all how it works, who's going to use it, how you're going to be the next big thing. So you get to work. You pour your entire life, your savings, every second of every day into building it. You spend months, maybe even years, making it perfect. You are obsessed with what you've built. You code all night, chugging energy drinks, 100% convinced you're creating something the world is desperate for. Then you finally launch it. You hit the big red button, you post it everywhere. You wait, and nothing. Complete silence. It's the worst feeling in the world. The sign-ups are a trickle, and nobody stays. This is the insane, soul-crushing reality for so many startups. They fail not because they weren't smart or didn't work hard enough, but because they fell for the biggest trap ever. They built something that solves a problem nobody actually has. The founder becomes so isolated, so sure of their own genius, that they can't hear the only voice that actually matters, the customer. So how do the top 1% of founders avoid this disaster? They don't have a crystal ball. They aren't smarter than you. They just live by one simple, insane, and non-negotiable rule. Talk to your customers every single day. I know what you're thinking. Talk to customers. That's it. But you're missing the crazy part. This isn't about sending a boring survey once a year. It's about making real human conversation a daily habit that's more important than writing code. The winning founder knows their time is best spent understanding the person using the product. Every customer chat is a treasure chest filled with secrets your competitors will never know. All right, pillar #1, and this is the hardest one. You have to be willing to destroy your own ideas. It's a phrase writers use when they delete their favorite sentence to make a story better. For you, your darlings are your ideas. That one genius feature you love, the solution you think is brilliant. You have to be ready for your customers to tell you it's trash. Most founders just want to be told their idea is amazing. Don't do that. Go out there and try to prove yourself wrong. Hunt for the problems in your own idea. When you talk to a customer, don't ask, "So, you like our new feature, right?" Instead, ask insane questions like, "Walk me through your entire process for this. What's the most annoying part of your day?" Your goal isn't to get a compliment, it's to find a secret. Pillar #2. This is how you make this an unbreakable habit. I call it the 5-a-day challenge. Your mission is to have 5 meaningful conversations with customers every single day. This isn't about selling. This is about proactive, open-ended chats to steal their secrets. Block 60 minutes in your calendar right now. Every day, protect that time. The goal is to get a constant stream of intel. You will literally start to see the future, spotting trends months before they show up in any data. Talk to everyone. People who love you, people who hate your product, even people who have never heard of you. Just send a DM, an email, or call them. 5 conversations a day. After just 3 months, you will understand your customer better than 99% of your competitors. Conversations are useless if you don't do anything with them. Pillar #3 is how you turn all this talk into your ultimate weapon. You need a super simple system to capture what you learn and act on it immediately. After every chat, take 5 minutes to write down the key takeaways. What was the most insane thing you heard? Use a shared doc or a Slack channel. Then, attack and act. Is it a bug? A feature request? A sign people are confused. Bugs get destroyed. Feature requests go on the roadmap. If people are confused, you change your website copy. This insane loop, powered by daily conversations, is how you get an unbeatable advantage. Look, 9 out of 10 startups end up in the graveyard, but you don't have to be one of them. The difference between the 90% that fail and the 10% that succeed is simple. Are you building in the dark? Or are you building with the lights on? I just gave you the 3 pillars to get there. Destroy your darlings, the 5-a-day challenge, and from chatter to checkmate. Building a company is hard, but you don't have to do it blind. The path is lit up by the voices of your customers. All you have to do is listen. So here's my challenge to you. Do IT right now. The second this video ends, go find one customer, just one, and start a conversation. Your entire future could literally depend on it. Go.